conducive to two philosophical phenomena: perspective and proportion. Perspective, from a subjective and an objective standpoint, is the ability to see the angle at which the image is illustrated or depicted, and proportion is understanding the geometric coordinates in proportion, right, to really replicate or imitate or impersonate what you're trying to, transpose and transcribe. And I find art to be intriguing because there's a lot of metaphors and analogies I could extract from art into music. Primarily the how you transpose from a two-dimensional perspective to a three-dimensional perspective. At least give the three-dimensional illusional perspective, and shades give that three-dimensional depth on a two-dimensional surface. Softness determines distance, which is something we are oblivious to today too. We are unaware that things at far distance tend to be soft, and things that are close tend to not necessarily be bright, but have a more sharp because it's a closer focus. Brightness and darkness is what gives that three-dimensional. Art is fascinating. I find art to be fascinating. Art is definitely a hobby.